Hi everybody, Jason at Edmentum. We are going to start a brand new playlist on our YouTube channel for Edmentum, Illinois. And the focus of this playlist will be to take a look at some of the brand new releases to our programs as they take place throughout the year. So we just recently had a fall 2021 release for ExactPath. So this is the first of a 3 video series that's going to look at some of the new content that has been released within ExactPath. As you probably have already noticed, there's a lot of new content, particularly for the primary grades, K1 and 2. So this particular video, we're going to take a look at a sample lesson from math that is designed for kindergartners. And I'm going to share my screen. Actually, it's sharing with you right now. The sound is sharing as well. And so what I'd like to do is just go through one of these or part of one of these tutorials so that you guys can get a feel for what this new content looks like.
I love looking at all the fish.
1, 2,
just
3,
a couple of things that
4,
jump off the screen
5,
to me as I'm taking a look
6,
at this. Remember,
7,
you've always got down
8,
here at the bottom this
9,
navigation bar
10,
so that the students
11,
are able to click through
12,
the various slides
13,
in the tutorial.
14,
Another thing that jumps out
15,
to me,
16,
the characters are
17,
fresh. At the same
18,
time, they're the same
19,
characters or
20.
recurring characters
Wow.
from other content.
There are more fish than I can
Very
count.
colorful. Very
I only know how to
engaging for
count to
kids.
20.
Again, very conversational.
If we want to count
nature.
more
These
fish,
characters are having
we
a
will need to know
conversation
what
back and
number
forth
comes
about the
after
fish in the
20.
aquarium. All the fish are up here at the top, and each one is identified here with a
This
number.
reminds me of the top of a 100 chart.
Me too. Let's keep counting and listen for a pattern.
That's a key word that I wanted to point
21,
out to you, pattern.
22,
What you'll see here, it
23,
reminded the character of the
24,
top of the 100s chart. So what
25,
they're doing now is they're continuing to
26,
count on.
27,
This is counting with a
28,
friend. Again, this is a kindergarten
29.
level lesson.
After 29, we start the 30s. 30, 31,
So again, they're reading
32,
these numbers as those
33,
numbers are appearing within
34,
this
35,
100s chart.
36.
We'll skip
I
on
hear
to-
a pattern.
Oh, I hear a pattern.
20 ends with 0. Then each number after 20 ends with the next counting number. 21, 22,
Very
23,
important theme, particularly for
24,
your younger learners, as you know,
25,
using key
26,
vocabulary terms. This
27,
one highlights the term
28,
pattern. Again, this is
29.
a perfect opportunity for you to introduce
I
what
hear
that
it in the
term means. I'm
30s
sure that you've
too.
already done that.
30 ends with 0. 31, 32,
As each
33,
number is being read,
and it keeps going all the way
it's
to
again
39.
showing that pattern as it's increasing in value in that ones column.
When a
On
number
here, the
ends
next
with
slide.
9, the next number starts with a different number and ends with 0. After 19, the starting number is 2 and ends with 0. 20. 29 ends with a 9, and the next number starts with a 3. That's one more than 2. So, the next number after 29 is 30. That's 30.
The same thing happens after 39. 39
Again,
ends
the
with a
characters are going
9,
back and
and the
forth with one
next
another.
number starts with a 4. That's one more than 3. I see another pattern. Look across the 21 row. All the numbers start with 2, and we say 20 except the last number. Listen. 21,
This gives the
22,
kindergartners a chance to hear what a fluent
23,
reader or speaker,
24,
how they would identify each one of these numbers.
25,
Great modeling for the
26,
youngsters, kindergarten level students.
27,
And again, here's that key
28,
vocabulary term right up here. So it
29.
continues to go on
Then
through this
the
pattern.
30 start.
In the
I'm gonna go through
31
the
row,
30s
all the
row.
numbers start with 3, and we say 30, except the last number. Listen. 31, 32, 33,
One
and
thing
it
I wanna
keeps
mention
going
about
all the way to
the
39.
tutorials within ExactPath,
Then
again, the
the
students
40s
are able
start.
to see these tutorials as many times as they
Find
want.
the
so they
number that is behind
can always
the
go back and they
fish.
can review these lessons.
Count from 21, 21, 22, 23. What number comes next?
This is a break within the tutorial where it gives the students a chance to show what they've learned from the previous slides within this tutorial. These little buttons up here will say the numbers for them, again, with that Fluent Reader.
34, 22, 24.
Go ahead and click that.
Great job. The number that comes after 23
Again, the
is
key pieces
24.
that I wanted to share with you with this particular tutorial: key vocabulary term, has that Fluent Reader explain or read those numbers to them. And again, it's showing what the characters are noticing as they're going through this particular skill, which again is counting with that one-to-one orientation. Always also shows that top of that 100s chart, which again is probably something that's very familiar for your kids and for your kindergarten teachers. All right, stay tuned for video 2 of this 3-part series, where we will take a look at a new first grade math lesson.